Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in Zoom app on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open Zoom. First open the Zoom app on your iPhone and make sure you are signed into your account. Step 2. Go to settings. Next tap on your profile in the top left corner. Next tap on the settings. Step 3. Open your profile. Now tap your profile picture name or profile photo at the top to access account details. Step 4. Check account region. Scroll and look for account, country or region information. Zoom automatically assigns your region based on account details and uses. Step 5. Update app language. Go back to the settings, tap language and select the language of the country you want Zoom to align with. This can influence regional defaults and interface options. Step 6. Restart the app. Close Zoom app completely, then reopen it and your update region settings will be appear. And that's how you can change or refresh your Zoom region on iPhone using free settings. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.